Welcome, in front of me is a TCL 408 and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this phone through settings. So to get started, we're going to open up settings right over here. You want to scroll all the way down to system, then select reset and choose erase all data factory reset. It will give you a message with a list of things that will be removed. Now the ones that you should probably worry about are things like music, photos and user data. So these are sometimes, or probably more often, kept locally on the device. So if you keep your photos locally on the device and not on the cloud, along with music the same way, then you might probably want to make a backup copy of it to some other storage, so this music, photos and user data won't get removed, because once it does, this cannot be undone. Now anyway, I'm not going to be backing up anything, so I'm going to select right now erase all data to progress further with the bypass or the reset. So once again, and this will now begin factory resetting the device. Now this process will take about 2 minutes to finish up, and once it's completed, I'll be presented with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. Now if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.